here at marker 27 in the Neuse River estuary, and we're going to anchor up with all of our boats and then do three different demonstrations. One is work that we routinely do to monitor the condition of the estuary and with water quality probe. Another demonstration we're going to do is to look at some of the fish catch that you might find in the system. And we've got a really cool sonar system that you can look underwater with to see what's swimming around underneath the surface that we're going to show. And then we've also got some information to present sort of on the geological context of the area, kind of how it got to where it is and what we might expect in the future for just simply the overall geology of the system.
Wait, let's go back one more.
What's the difference between an estuary and a sound?
A sound? Yeah. So, you drive across the Neuse River estuary, and all the signs say it's just the Neuse River. This isn't really a river, so we have lots of misnomers. But typically a sound is orient parallel to shore, like this is Bogue Sound, Pamlico Sound, and an estuary is more perpendicular.